Got myself an NFC ring. NFC? I think that's what it's called. I'm just hoping to put something on it and use it. That's about all I'm gonna say. Why did my phone just turn purple? That's weird. So here's how it came from Amazon. Links will be in the description below. The box nearly ripped through. It actually came by USPS, and when it came, they did not put it where I told them to, which doesn't sound bad, but we actually have porch pirates if you've watched my videos. Nothing special on that side. I think it's waterproof. Don't have to recharge it, and who knows if it works if it comes with software on your phone, or you just use somebody else's software. Feels like a regular ring. So I got a normal ring right there. I think this is 3mm, maybe 2. Don't hold me to it. That's lighter than my ring. Does it fit? Oh yeah. So I ordered an 11, and once I go out in the heat, that'll probably fit perfect. Hands swell up a little bit. Is it the same size? It's just a little bit bigger than an 11. It said it was 11, a little bit bigger. So let's look at it. I do like the style of it. They don't really have too stylish of them for a good price point. I'm not seeing any like indications of where to use it at. And with the light on, it really does just look like a normal ring. I don't see anything special. It's super light. It's lighter than my actual old ring. It's replacing this ring. Let's see if it has any cut points in it. No, I don't think it would cut a glove either. I kind of like my old silver a little bit better. Let's see, 2. I'm saying it's a 4mm wide because that's a 2 or 3. I don't remember what this is because when I bought it, they messed up the width on it. So, okay, slides right off my finger. Just do their measurement chart. It worked really good. I guess my light is dead for this video. That's probably it in here. Okay, and is this gonna tell us anything? I'm gonna just move this across here. Hopefully you can see it. I guess my light just died. If you guys need something off of this, pause, screenshot it. Oh, that's a totally different language in it. Oh no, it didn't. There, it'll put a business card up on there for you. And is this a different language? Nope, this ain't a different language either. All English. Hopefully you guys can read that. I'm basically going to end the video, and I'm going to go see if it works based on these instructions. Let's scan this first to see if there is a app. Okay, Google search tag writer. Okay, no Google, I'm not talking to you. Okay, let's scan this. Link found, open link. Download, oh, it wants me to download it as an external app. Let's, H-E-R-E, let's go to the actual store, Android here, and type in this name, because that's what it was just doing. And there is no such thing, so you have to download it off of theirs. Kiosk Zip. There ain't too many of them. I would say I'd have to trust this. I don't know how iPhone would do it. We need to download which one? Which is cool because you don't have to rely on an app, I guess. Okay, this is the one I think I gotta do. It says 13 megahertz. I don't even know what I bought. What one did I buy? Now that I've seen all them numbers, I'm kind of lost. Sorry, I'm going into my Amazon. So this is what it looks like. Doesn't even say what frequency it is up here. NFC 215. I think it does both. Chip. It's 13. Okay, so it's the 13. That's what it looks like at the moment. It's on sale for 32. I think I paid like 29 or something. Okay, so we want this one. 13. I'm assuming. Just got updated at the beginning of the year. Oh, that's a RAW file though. Can it just be a normal zip? Download. Download complete. Extract. I don't know how this will work on iPhone, but I have 2 other apps that I have to do this with on this. Demo. I don't need a demo. I need the... You don't have any apps that you can open with this type of file. Demo. Don't have that. Document kit. Windows. I need Windows and Linux. I guess there's a lot to figure out, and I'm not going to do it all in this video. I'll just tell you how hard it was later on in the video. I'm going to be finishing up this video. I'm using an app called NFC Tools. I've had it for a week now, the Ring, and I found out the pros and cons, a few of them. It's awesome because you can load more than one file on here, but the NFC Tools works with iPhone too. So if you're trying to share a business card or something, it works perfectly with iPhone. This is Android. The thing I don't like, it's a Ring, right? So it's always on your finger. If you pick up your phone, you may accidentally slip and it loads. So that's with one file on it. You don't have to get that close. I think you guys can hear it. Like my phone, it's an S21 at the time. The whole back of it is an NFC scanner. iPhone's just across the top, which is really smart because when you're using it, it doesn't take you to this link or whatever you put on it. But mine takes me to all my links, which is kind of nice because a lot of people actually ask for that. But it's really super easy. You just use this. Let's put something different on it. I'll show you guys right now what's on it. You can put multiple files on it. Right now it's just this. But if you put a lot of files on it, when you scan it, it's going to come up like this, and you're going to have to pick which file you want. This is actually a bunch of links, but this is with one file on the thing. So right now, if that even makes sense to somebody, right now I'll show you. If I scan it, it brings that up. So we are going to clear it using this app. We can go to Other, and then Erase Tag. It just says Approach the NFC. Erase Complete. Okay, so now if I try to do it, unknown tag type, nothing there. So let's go ahead and just do my YouTube channel. All you gotta do is go to YouTube, whatever you want to put on it. Push share. Oh my god. See how it's getting it? It's got the Ring there. Okay, now you want to write it, and I'm going to add. And there's all kinds of stuff you can add. And you can add multiple things until this is full, but it's less than a megabyte, so it's mostly URLs. Okay, and I'm going to put that URL in there. That's my YouTube. I'm going to click OK, and it's going to say, sorry, there's a problem. Okay, now it's down here. It's using 42 bytes out of, we'll show you in a little bit. And then you click write, bring the tag to it, write complete. So now, if we're out of that app, watch. Takes me straight to my YouTube. I think that's awesome because people are like, what's your YouTube channel? And I can just scan it, but I also just scan the other things. Now to see how much room is on this, you want to go to read. And on here, it will tell you it's 924 bytes, which is very small. Think about a picture. I have some pictures that are actually smaller than that, but yeah, that's what this is about. And then if you want to erase it, you can copy a tag. There's all kinds of stuff, but you can put whatever you want on here as long as it's under here. Or you can even do tasks. Make it shut off your phone, launch an application, turn the brightness down. You guys can see that under your own app. I'm going to go ahead and close that app. I don't pay for the pro version, so it doesn't keep my write. See that? So now I gotta go to link space, get my, let me just do this real quick. Okay, copied my link space ID, going back under there, putting my URL in there. Oh, I gotta erase it first. Gotta erase it because the one we just put on here is on there, but that's not what I want on here. Erase complete. I trust that it's complete. I'm not gonna show you guys how I showed you earlier. URL. I'm moving fast. Now the right is complete. And if I go out of here, close all my tabs, watch, it should take me back to all my link space. And there we go. I like the ring. It is waterproof. I do like it better than an RFID ring. It's a lot simpler. I wish I would have got silver. I kind of like a different color than dark because it stands out a lot. I don't really have pros and cons other than when it's in your hand on an Android phone, it could be messing you up. iPhone's at the top, so it does a little bit less. But most of the time, if I'm on my phone, I'll switch the ring to the other hand. And that's all I got to say about that. Thanks for watching.